How to delete your X account. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, open up your X application. Now tap on the profile at the top left corner. Now tap on settings and privacy. Now tap on your account. Now tap on deactivate account. Now tap on deactivate. Now enter your password and tap on deactivate. Now tap on yes deactivate. Now once you tap on it, you have to wait for 30 days before. Now once you tap on it, you have Now once you tap on it, you will have to wait for Now once you tap on it, you will have to wait for 30 days. After that, it will permanently delete your X account. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.